Hey, so another unboxing. Let's see, this is my third one, I believe, but I just picked this up, a 91 Cavalry Carcano from DK. All right, let's see what's up. Okay, so I took it out of the box. I have not looked at it. I did cut the tape. That's about it. It's kind of funky when I'm trying to handle the phone with one hand and unwrap these things with the other. But, all right. So far, so good. Oh man, it smells like your typical milsurp. Smells great. Okay. So far, it's looking better than the was it 91-24 I got from them as well. That one came through. The stock was a bit dry, and had some pitting underneath the wood, which kind of turned me off, but you know, kind of not a big deal. So, okay, there's your import mark, and this is a Brescia again, which is cool, and that one looks like a 1913? No, it's 1917. Very cool. Okay, let's take a look at the latch mechanism on the bayo. There's 1,000 variations of this, so. All right, pretty sweet. And so they do come with one brass clip. I ordered 2 extra ones. Yeah, granted, a month ago these things were no more than 10, and now we're getting them for 13 a pop, but yeah, here's what it is. All right, I'm gonna look at inside the barrel and whatnot and see what's going on over there, but so far so good, pretty cool. All right. So I got the bolt out. Let's see, so the stock 963, U963 is matching. And from what I saw from before, it was kind of hard to make this work, but yeah, anyway, it's pretty good. Little bit of grease in it, but not a big deal. This one has some more stamps than the other rifle I got, which is always fun. So, makes this just a little bit more interesting. You can see a little bit of rust under the wood line, and overall it's pretty clean, but again, nothing crazy. Yeah. Let's see what's going on with this thing. We have to tighten this a bit. Looks like there's a slight crack, probably from fitting. Not that recoil on these things is pretty bad, but you can see underneath in the wood there's a little bit of some red rust there. So I'll take it apart, take it out of the wood. If it's anything that is worth doing a follow-up on, then I will. Otherwise, yeah, pretty psyched. All right, cool. Hope this gives people perspective. Again, got it from DK. I know it's available from a few different places. I originally was gonna get it from Buds, but I figured I'd throw the business to the family business of DK, and they did well the first time. So, all right, pretty cool. All right, folks, good luck, be safe.